I want you to imagine a store that sells pure gold. The gold is real, it's valuable, but the front door is locked. The windows are painted black, and there is no sign outside. How much gold do you think they sell? Zero. Welcome back. In my last video, we talked about how quickly saves your YouTube channel. But today, I want to talk about something different. I want to talk about how this tool might actually replace your 9 to 5 job. You see this equation: 0 clicks equals 0 profit. Every single business on YouTube, from the biggest creators like Mr. Beast to the local real estate agent, is terrified of this number. They are desperate for clicks, and desperation creates a market. Most people think this tool is just for YouTubers. Look closely at this list: freelancers, agencies, local lead generation. Wait, pause for a second. Do you know how much agencies charge for a single thumbnail design? I'm not talking about Fiverr for $5. I'm talking about high CTR, psychology backed design. They charge $50, $80, sometimes $100 per image. The problem is, to charge that money, you usually need to be a design wizard. You need 10,000 hours in Photoshop. You need to understand color theory, or you used to. So, here is the question: can you actually take a $47 tool, use it to generate professional work in 60 seconds, and sell it for a 1000% profit? Or will the client spot the AI from a mile away? We are about to find out. And the answer lies in a specific feature called face cloning that we need to look at right now. If you are going to sell services or even just dominate your own niche, you cannot have generic AI face. You know what I mean? That smooth plastic look that screams, "I prompted this." Clients hear that, viewers ignore that. This is where Clickly confronts the biggest issue with AI. Step 1: you upload one selfie. Step 2: it clones your face or your client's face. Step 3: it generates the expression needed for the thumbnail. Think about this for a client. A real estate agent sends you one photo from their iPhone. You can use Clickly to generate a thumbnail of them looking shocked at housing prices or excited about a new listing. You don't need to ask them for a photoshoot. You just solve their biggest headache. Now I can hear the skeptics in the comments. But can't I just use other tools? Let's look at the data. Look at the red crosses on the left. Unable to edit each layer. This is the deal breaker. If you generate an image in Midjourney and the text is spelled wrong, you are dead in the water. You can't sell that to a client. Clickly gives you 100% editable templates. This means if the client says, "make the text bigger," you just click and drag. You are not fighting with a prompt, you are editing like a pro. And here is the secret weapon for upselling: variations. When you generate a design in Clickly, it doesn't just give you one, it gives you 3 to 4 variations. So, if you are selling this service, you don't just send one file, you send 3. You say, "Hey, there are 3 options for you to either A or B test." You look like a premium agency, but the AI did all the heavy lifting. I want to pause the educational stuff for a moment because I need to be real with you about the opportunity here. We are looking at a tool that allows you to bypass years of design school. But tools like this don't stay this cheap forever. So if you are willing to get this product, do check out the official website from the first link in the description box. If you purchase from the first link in the description box, I'm going to provide you a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase, and I'll send you the bonus. That's it. Link in the description. Go do that now, because in the next section we are going to break down the exact math of the commercial license. Alright, we are back. Let's talk about the resolution. How do we turn this software into a paycheck? The creators have laid it out right here. Charge $50 per thumbnail design. Now, if you are new, maybe you charge $25. If you use Clickly to make 10 thumbnails, which might take you 20 minutes maximum, that is $250 to $500 in your pocket. Now, look at the cost: $47. one time. That means if you sell one single thumbnail to a friend, a local business, or random person on Twitter, you have paid for the software. Everything after that is 100% profit. This is what we call asymmetric risk. The cost is capped at $47, but the upside is unlimited. But here is the catch, and there is always a catch. Normally, Clickly costs $586 per year. Software companies love subscriptions. They love draining your bank account every month. Right now, for this launch, they are waiving the recurring fees. But this is very clear. This launch deal won't last. Once they hit their user cap, they are going to switch back to the $586 per year price tag. If you buy it, then you are just burning money. And finally, the safety net. If you are worried that maybe this won't work for me, look at this. The click through rate guarantee. They guarantee they will beat your current thumbnail CTR. If they don't, you get a refund. So let's recap. You get a commercial license to sell designs. You pay once, avoiding the monthly fees. If it doesn't work, you get your money back. There is literally no reason not to try this. Listen, the economy is changing. The people who use AI to work faster are the ones who are going to win. The people who ignore it will be left behind. Clickly is giving you a massive shortcut here. Grab the link in the description, send me the screenshot on Instagram for those bonuses, and start building your thumbnail empire. Now, if you want to see a full hands-on technical demo of exactly how the AI analyzes video content and see me test it live, you need to watch this video right here that is flashing right now on the right side corner. YouTube is dead without this. I break down the actual generation process step by step in that video. Click right here and I'll see you there.